The camera opens on the bold and powerful Ford 600 2025, gleaming under the sunlight as it sits on rugged terrain. This is not just another truck, it's a statement of strength, technology, and innovation. The voiceover begins, introducing the Ford 600 as the ultimate combination of performance and sophistication, designed for those who demand the best from their vehicle. The shot transitions to the truck powering through mud, towing a massive load, and gliding smoothly on the highway. The voice explains how the Ford 600 is equipped with a groundbreaking 7.3L V8 engine paired with a hybrid electric system. This delivers an incredible 450 horsepower and over 900 pound-feet of torque, ensuring it can handle the toughest jobs while maintaining impressive fuel efficiency. Whether it's hauling heavy trailers or navigating challenging landscapes, this truck gets the job done effortlessly. The video shifts focus to its design, highlighting the bold front grille, aerodynamic lines, and signature LED lighting. Every detail of the Ford 600 has been crafted with purpose. From its high-strength steel frame to its enhanced suspension system, the truck is built to withstand the harshest conditions. The payload capacity is unmatched, and with a towing capability of up to 18,000 pounds, the Ford 600 sets a new standard in its class. The scene moves to the interior, where the camera pans across the spacious cabin. Luxurious leather seats, a panoramic sunroof, and customizable ambient lighting create an environment that is as comfortable as it is advanced. The voice describes the state-of-the-art 15-inch touchscreen equipped with the latest Sync 5 system. It offers seamless connectivity with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Alexa integration, making every drive smarter and more enjoyable. Next, the camera zooms in on the innovative features that set the Ford 600 apart. The voiceover introduces the advanced driver assist technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. With these features, drivers can navigate with confidence, whether in a crowded city or on an open trail. The Pro Trailer Backup Assist is highlighted as a game-changer for towing, making even complex maneuvers easy and stress-free. As the truck moves through a scenic mountain trail, the voice explains the off-road capabilities of the Ford 600. The available trail control system acts like cruise control for off-road driving, allowing the driver to focus on steering while the truck handles acceleration and braking. The rugged all-terrain tires and advanced suspension ensure stability and control on any surface. As the sun sets, the truck is shown with its LED headlights illuminating the path ahead. The voice emphasizes how the Ford 600 is designed to excel day and night, in any weather or environment. This truck isn't just built to perform, it's built to last, with durability that reflects Ford's legacy of quality and innovation. The video concludes with the Ford 600 parked against a stunning backdrop. The voiceover leaves viewers with a final thought: the 2025 Ford 600 is not just a truck, it's a partner in every journey, whether at work, on the road, or off the beaten path. It's time to experience the power, precision, and luxury that only the Ford 600 can deliver.